Welcome back to this video, and today we're gonna be installing the Pinlock anti-fog to our Shoei helmet. So basically what I've done here, I just took off the visor using the star screw here. It's very easy. And then I've also cleaned this visor with soap and detergent. Now it's dry. We'll make sure there's no grime or dirt there on the visor. And that's the screws there that we have taken off. And this is our pin lock that the helmet came with. So you're gonna make sure this one here that says up should go this way on your helmet. So it's gonna actually follow the contour of your helmet there. And I'm just gonna put this one here just to avoid any scratches for our pin lock. So we're just gonna pop that right there and use your body to actually stretch the visor. Alright, so you just want to make sure that tab there is actually snugly fit there, and you're just gonna stretch your frame or your visor and make sure it's fit there. Yep. See that one there? It actually fit there. And there you go. Pin lock installed. Remove the peel or remove the sheet. There you go. You've got it in place properly. So that was so easy. No fogs. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video. It's very easy installation of our pin lock, and now it's time to return this to our helmet. There, that should align in the groove right here. Then we're gonna be ready to put the screws using our star screw, and I'm just not gonna fix it right there and then, because I want that to balance to my other screw as well. That's it. That's how easy to replace the visor and apply the pin lock. Okay guys, so not too tight. There you have it, all done. That's our helmet with the pin lock installed. Alrighty, so if you have any questions, drop a comment down below and I'll try to answer them. And if you have any questions, what's this microphone wire there? It's actually my microphone there. That's my setup inside. And that's our chin mount that I have put an epoxy with, so it's not gonna come off very tight. Let me know if you have any questions guys. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.